guys, welcome back to another Irish lesson, and today we're going to talk about autumn and winter phrases. So I know technically we're in winter now that it's the middle of November, but I suppose it depends on what area you live. Maybe in some places it still feels a bit autumnal, and in other places I can imagine extremely wintry already. So we're going to have a mixture of these phrases. So let's work chronologically. We'll start with autumn. It's autumn. Tá an fómhair. So fór is autumn. In some places, in some dialects, they say it fo-wer, more like a V sound instead of a W sound. So it depends on which way you prefer. There is one of my favorite Irish dictionaries online that gives you a lot of words, not every single word, and it doesn't give whole sentences, but a lot of words. They give you the pronunciation of 3 different dialects: Connacht, Munster and Ulster. So it's a good thing to check out if you want to hear the different ways of pronouncing a couple of words. So it's autumn. Tá an fómhair. Tá an fómhair. Autumn is coming. Tá an fómhair ag teacht. So ag teacht is coming. Tá an fómhair ag teacht. Tá an fómhair ag teacht. In autumn, san oh-wer. San oh-wer. Here we have the shevu before the F, so it takes away the F sound. San oh-wer. During autumn, iym oh-wer. So here, if we change the sound at the end to become a little bit more tinny, and it has the extra I in there, so it changes a little bit as well. Iym oh-wer. Iym oh-wer. Or I goh-hev an oh-wer. I goh-hev an oh-wer. The autumn equinox. Cónocht an oh-wer. Cónocht an oh-wer. An autumn day. La fo-wer. La fo-wer. The autumn months. Míonna an oh-wer. Míonna are months. Me is the singular, 1 month. Well, just month, me. Míonna an oh-wer. Míonna an oh-wer. The autumn months. An autumn morning. Mod-jin fo-wer. Mod-jin is morning. Mod-jin for autumn morning. Mod-jin fo-wer. Autumn weather. Iym-shur. Fo-wer. Iym-shur is weather. Iym-shur fo-wer. Autumn weather. After the autumn. Teacht an oh-wer. Teacht, as you might imagine, means after. Teacht an oh-wer. After autumn, or after the autumn. You can also say ndiaidh an oh-wer. Ndiaidh an oh-wer. Or, in a longer way, nor a bhaidh an fór kot-cheh. Nor a bhaidh an fór kot-cheh. So, nor is when, nor a bhaidh is in the future when autumn will be. Kot-cheh is like spent or done, finished. Nor a bhaidh an fór kot-cheh. Nor a bhaidh an fór kot-cheh. Nor a bhaidh an fór kot-cheh. Nights are cooling off now. Autumn is on the way. Tá na híochanta. So, icha is night. Na híochanta, the nights. Tá na híochanta, the nights are ag dul i-bhuara. Ag dul, going. I-bhuara, like colder. Getting colder. Anish, now. Agus an fómhair ag teacht. I really like this phrasing structure. It's you see it throughout Irish quite a lot, putting things together in that way. And autumn coming. So the night, it's like saying the nights are getting colder now, and autumn is coming. Like now that autumn is coming, like cause and effects. Tá na híochanta ag dul i-bhuara. Anish, agus an fómhair ag teacht. Tá na híochanta ag dul i-bhuara. Anish, agus an fómhair ag teacht. In autumn, the leaves become golden-hued. San oh-wer, in autumn, tagan da an oh-wer na duilleoga. Tagan, so it comes, da an oh-wer. Da is colour, or is gold, so the colour of gold comes na dilóga on the leaves. In autumn, the colour of gold closes on the leaves, or in other words, in autumn, the leaves become golden-coloured, golden-hued. San or, tagan da on or. I know that sounds really similar. Or. Na dilóga. San or, tagan da on or. Na dilóga. The fruit ripened in the autumn. Dabig na turhi san or. Dabig, ripened in the past. Na turhi, the fruits. San or, in the autumn. In autumn. Dabig na turhi san or. We hardly noticed summer shading into autumn. Eigen a fhómhar faoi dara, goh-hev an saora ina or. Eigen a fhómhar faoi dara, so we barely noticed. Fhómhar faoi dara we noticed, so we barely noticed, or we hardly noticed. Goh-hev an saora, that the summer, goh-hev is in the past, saora is summer, ina or, was like that summer had become autumn. Eigen a fhómhar faoi dara, goh-hev an saora ina or. Eigen a fhómhar faoi dara, goh-hev an saora ina or. Moving on to the next season, which is winter. And winter is gev.reh. If you're using it as the adjective, it changes a little bit, just like the way fo-wer changes into fo-wir, a more ear sound. Similar, in winter, instead of gev.reh, it becomes gev.reh. Well, not as strong as that, gev.reh. So, for example, ay-dee gev.reh, winter clothes. Ay-dee are clothes. Ay-dee gev.reh. Ay-dee gev.reh. A winter day. Law gev.reh. Law is day. Law gev.reh. A winter day. The winter months. Míonna on gev.reh. Here we have a shevu. Míonna on gev.reh. Míonna on gev.reh. Winter weather. So we're repeating here a bit from the autumn phrases. Aimsir gev.reh. Aimsir gev.reh. Aimsir gev.reh. Winter is close at hand. It is. Tá an gev.reh ag teannadh linn. Tá an gev.reh ag teannadh linn. So, in other words, it's coming to us. Tá an gev.reh ag teannadh linn. Food for use during the winter. Bia faoi choine an gev.reh. Bia is food. Faoi choine an gev.reh. Food for use during the winter. Bia faoi choine an gev.reh. It's winter. Tá an gev.reh ann. Tá an gev.reh ann. Winter is coming. Tá an gev.reh ag teacht. Tá an gev.reh ag teacht. During winter. I rith an gev.reh or I goh-hev an gev.reh, just like we saw in the autumn. I rith an gev.reh, I goh-hev an gev.reh. As winter approached, the birds left. Dimig na hain, nuair bhí an gev.reh ag teannadh linn. Dimig went in the past. Na hain, the birds. One bird is ein. Na hain, the birds. Nuair a bhí an gev.reh ag teannadh linn, when winter was on the way or coming. Dimig na hain, nuair a bhí an gev.reh ag teannadh linn. The temperature averages 5 degrees in the winter. Bíonn an teacht. Bíonn is just like the present tense. An teacht is the temperature. Ag cúig céim. Cúig is 5, céim is degrees. An man, on the average. Sa gev.reh. In winter. Bíonn an teacht. Ag cúig céim. An man. Sa gev.reh. Bíonn an teacht. Cúig. Bíonn an teacht. Ag cúig céim. An man. Sa gev.reh. Winter is just around the corner. Is gearr uan an gev.reh. Is gear-uan an gev.reh. Gear is short, so it's like it's a short way away from us. Is gear-uan an gev.reh. Is gear-uan an gev.reh. Or ní fada-uan an gev.reh, which is just the same because fada is long, so ní fada, not long, which is the same as, almost the same as short, gear. Ní fada-uan an gev.reh. Ní fada-uan an gev.reh. And finally, our last sentence for today about winter. It seems hardly credible that the winter's already here. Éigean a creidh go bhfuil an gev.reh linn. Éigean a creidh go bhfuil an gev.reh linn. Éigean a creidh, like it can hardly be believed. One can hardly believe go bhfuil an gev.reh linn, that winter is with us here. Éigean a creidh go bhfuil an gev.reh linn. Okay, let's breeze through these from the beginning once more again. It's autumn, tá an fo-werown. Autumn is coming, tá an fómhar ag teacht. In autumn, san oh-wer. During autumn, rith an oh-wer, goh-hev an oh-wer. Autumn equinox, cónocht an oh-wer. An autumn day, fo-wer. The autumn months, míonna an oh-wer. An autumn morning, mod-jin fo-wer. Autumn weather, aimsir fo-wer. After the autumn, teacht an oh-wer. Or ndiaidh an oh-wer, or nur a bhaidh an fo-wer, kot-cheh. Nights are cooling off, now autumn is on the way. Tá na hícheanta ag dul I bhúra anois, agus an fómhar ag teacht. In autumn, the leaves become golden-hued. San oh-wer, tagann an oh-wer in a duilleoga. The fruit ripened in the autumn. Dabig na turkey san oh-wer. We hardly noticed summer shading into autumn. Éigean a thugamar faoi dara, go raibh an saoire ina oh-wer. Next, winter, gev.reh. Winter as an adjective, gev.reh. Winter clothes, ay-dee gev.reh. A winter day, gev.reh. The winter months, míonna an gev.reh. Winter weather, aimsir gev.reh. Winter is close at hand. Tá an gev.reh ag teannadh linn. Food for use during the winter. Bia faoi dhuine an gev.reh. It's winter. Tá an gev.reh ann. Winter is coming. Tá an gev.reh ag teacht. During winter, rith an gev.reh. Or goh-hev an gev.reh. As winter approached, the birds left. Dimig na hain. Nuair bhí an gev.reh ag teannadh linn. The temperature averages 5 degrees in the winter. Bíonn an teacht ag 5 céim an man sa gev.reh. Winter is just around the corner. Is gear-uan an gev.reh. Or ní fada-uan an gev.reh. It hardly seems credible that the winter is already here. Éigean a creidh go bhfuil an gev.reh linn. That's all for today. Stay warm and cozy, whether the weather is autumnal or wintry, or if you live on the other upside down part of the globe. I'm sure you're enjoying spring and summer. I'll see you again soon for another Irish lesson.